Hey folks, just talking about for a walk. I always tell people, look, in life you gotta find your rhythm. You gotta make out time to chill alone. Gotta make out time to clear your head. Because as you all know, a man without a clear head is not very good, man. You gotta have a clear head to set clear goals. So once in a while, get out there, look for somewhere very serene, somewhere like that. And just go for a quick walk. Even if you don't want to walk, sit somewhere, sit on the bench, relax yourself. I can assure you that there'll be a lot of clarity that will come to you in those moments. You'll start to see, hear, feel, and understand things that you would ordinarily not feel, hear, see, and understand. It is the way it is. Nature is powerful. Just look at that, and you can hear all the little twig, quirk, water flow sounds. It is beautiful. It is just nature. Look at that over there. That's just water flowing. It is amazing. And that's all you gotta do. So until I catch you on another time or on another video, I want you to stay positive. Towards nature. That clarity that you want, I can guarantee you that you're gonna get it. Peace out.